If you are looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Limited in Stingray with Elite Group, active lane management system, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7909.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.